Friends and hello lovies, happy second month sa'yo po. And Kuya Lawrence, I just want to say thank you po sa lahat ng efforts, sa hard work, sa love and appreciations na binibigay mo po sa mga taong sumusuporta sa'yo, sa lovies, sa friend mo po, and especially sa family mo po. Lagi ko rin po sinasabi sa'yo na we're so proud of you po since day one sa mga na-achieve mo at sa mga ma-achieve mo pa po in the future. Lagi lang din po kami nandito para suportahan ka. Lagi mo pong aalagaan yung sarili mo, kumain on time, uminom na maraming water, and alam po namin na lahat ng efforts and hard work mo po is magiging worth it sa dulo. Kapit lang, keep chasing your dream po and your goal. And
Hey Lawrence and hello lovies. Yun. Happy second mansary. Lawrence, yun, ingat ka lagi. At dito lang kami mga admins mo. Andito lang ako always for you. And syempre, kaya mo na yan. Kaya mo at kakayanin mo. And ayun na nga. Hindi ko na papabain to, syempre. Pero sobrang proud kami sa'yo. At alam namin na magiging successful lahat ng mga plano mo sa buhay.
Hi Lawrence, please keep up the good work. I will always support you in your endeavors. And I will always support you no matter what happen. Nandito lang ako palagi. Please take care of yourself, stay healthy. And huwag ka makakalimut mag-pray talaga kay God. Everyday yan, pati sa gabi. Siyempre, we are looking forward sa mga projects pa at mga events na gagawin mo. And looking forward din kami na makita kang mag-grow as an artist. At sa maraming pang projects na gagawin, nandito lang kami, hindi ka namin iiwan. And God bless you more.
Hi sa fandom ni Lawrence. Ayan, second anniversary niyo na pala. Congrats Lawrence. Ayan, patuloy mo lang yung pangarap mo. Alam ko palaban ka din. So mag-ingat ka palagi and God bless always. More blessings to come.
Thank you for picture ka.
Oo, one by one.
Lawrence! Happy monthsary sir! Ingat ka palagi! And God bless you! Mahal na mahal kita, kapatid!
What's up, Brother Lawrence? Good luck sa journey mo. Mag-training ka lang dyan na magaling ka. Good luck sa journey.
Lawrence, happy monthsary sa Loyals. I wish na magtagal yung fandom mo and sana maging successful ka pa mo. Proud na proud ako sa'yo. I love you.
Hi Lawrence! Happy monthsary! I am very happy for you and I am so proud of you. Congratulations sa lahat na na-achieve mo. I love you. I will support you forever, Mom.
Happy second monthsary lovies, especially to Lawrence. Of course, hindi ito mabubuo kung hindi dahil sa'yo. And this second monthsary is just one of the many proofs how enormously talented you are and how big you can be as an artist. So, please keep on performing and nandito lang kami nakasuporta sa'yo. So, cheers for more monthsaries, anniversaries to come with Loyals. Happy second monthsary!
Hi Lawrence! Happy 2 months with our Loyals. Yes, thank you.
Hi Lawrence, I hope that you're doing fine and I'm wishing you all the best. Thank you for fulfilling my simple request po and happy monthsary sa iyong fandom. I know na isa kang determinadong tao, kaya ayun, don't give up and keep on pursuing for your dreams. Stay safe and God bless.
Hi Lawrence. Congrats sa future career mo. Sana matupad mo na yung mga pangarap mo. And sa monthsary mo na darating, hope na maging successful din. And sana magkita na tayo ulit soon kasi wala pa tayong picture. So, yun lang. Good luck. And sana matupad mo na talaga yung mga pangarap mo, yung lahat. Kasi yun lang din yung happiness din namin pag masaya kayo, masaya din kami. So, good luck. Thank you.
Hi, Earl here. Happy monthsary Loyals and to Lawrence, mas lalo mo pong pag-igihan And patuloy mo lang abutin ang mga pangarap mo. Nandito lang kami mga supporters mo para suportahan ka hanggang dulo. Ayun lang. Keep safe. See you sa mga ganap nyo. Bye-bye.
Hello, Lawrence. Ito si Ate Aiko mo. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na just keep on chasing your dreams because once a dream chaser will always be a dream chaser. Adja, fighting. Gusto ko, sabihin ko din na mahal kita, sinusuportahan kita, treasure you, cherish you, and protect you from the bottom of my heart. Really. And ayun lang. God bless you. Take care always. Mwah. 사랑해요. 안녕.
Hi, Kuya Lawrence. Happy second monthsary. Yan, mahal na mahal ka namin ng mga loyals mo. Yun lang. And more monthsary na ka. Bye-bye.
Kuya Lawrence na mabango na laging nanggugulat ng reply. Galingan mo parate. I know na kaya mo kasi magaling ka. Sabi nga nila, malayo pa pero you're too far kung iisipin. Ayun lang, maraming salamat parate sa pagmamahal mo sa mga fans mo and sana hindi ka magsawa na mag-look back sa kung saan ka nang galing kasi yun yung mag-pupush sa'yo moving forward. Ayun lang, thank you, I love you.
So, ayun, for Lawrence, proud na proud ako sa'yo, and, ayun, keep on chasing your dreams. Nandito lang ako and ang Loyals para supportahan ka hanggang sa dulo. Hanggang maabot mo na yung dreams mo talaga, and until mag-debut ka, ayun lang. And ayun, I love you, bye-bye! Happy Monthsary, Loyals!
Hi, Loyals! Hi, Lawrence! Happy second monthsary sa fandom mo. And I hope na magtagal. And I hope na maging successful yung career mo. And Kuya Kenneth is always here for you to support you no matter what. Loyals forever, love is forever. Love you, miss you, bye-bye!
Hello, Lawrence. Happy first anniversary pala sa'yo. And sorry hindi ako makakatin sa event nyo. And gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na sana more anniversary darating. And lagi ka lang humble and approachable sa mga fans mo. Huwag mong papabayaan ang sarili mo. Lagi mo lang tatandaan andyan lang ang ating Panginoon. Laging gumagabay sa'yo. Mga fans mo and parents mo. Lagi mo lang dinaalagaan ang sarili mo. Huwag ka magpapagod at huwag ka magpupuyat lagi. Ate Michelle mo pala. Bye-bye.
Hi, Lawrence! Hello sa'yo. I am very proud of you kasi despite on your prior commitments, you still managed to be on your path to be an idol. And now, meron ka na ring entertainment na kinabibilangan. And together with your other dream chasers, talagang pinupursue mo talaga na maging isang Pinoy idol. And I am very proud as a Loyals. I'm very proud that you still manage your time to do and to continue your path on your achieve stardom. Yun, parang ganon. Ang hirap mag-isip kasi no words can explain about your achievement at this time around. Wish ko lang sa'yo is sana sa mga pagkakataon na kailangan mo ng advice, concerns, and kausap, nandito lang kaming mga Loyals para sa'yo. And syempre, bilang isang certified loyal na din, if you have some personal problems, wag kong mahiyang mag-open sa amin. Mga ate at kuya mo na din since maybe I'm older than you. If you have some problems, open ka lang. Share ka ng thoughts, yan. Bigay ka lang ng vibes, yan. Kikilos kami. And yon, sana mapasaya ka namin sa malaking event na ito. Keep your feet on the ground and I'm very proud of you. Love ka namin ng mga Loyals. Love you, Lawrence. Bye-bye!